know that sugar is linked to mental health issues. We know that the mechanism is there through inflammation, insulin resistance, and gut dysbiosis and mitochondrial function. Great. Now what? Well, you can do a sugar detox. That's what. You don't have to take my word for it. You don't have to listen to me. Your body's the smartest doctor in the room. It'll tell you what's working, what's not working, and listen to your body. It's very smart. And listen to how you feel. I encourage everybody to do this. It's why I wrote my book, The 10-Day Detox Diet. I think 14 days is a little longer, and I encourage you to do that a little longer just to see what happens. But let's talk about how to do it. The first thing is you've got to get rid of all the flour and sugar, right? Get rid of all the high glycemic foods. Get rid of all the added sugar. Get rid of ultra-processed food. Stop all the refined flours, refined wheat flour, gluten, all those things. Get rid of those. My joke for bread is if you can stand on it, it doesn't smush, you can eat it. I was in Germany and they had these meat slicers in the house. I'm like, what is that for? It says, well, just slice the bread because it's so dense. It's made from whole grains. It's not made from flour. It's made from actual rye and grains. So you have to cut it with a meat slicer, like a deli meat slicer. I encourage also people to get rid of all the liquid sugar calories. Those are the worst. Sugar-sweetened beverages, teas, coffees, energy drinks, you name it, juices, just eliminate all of that.
Makes sense. Get rid of the sugars. But if that's how you're getting your water intake, you obviously need to replace it with something because you need to get those fluids. You need to stay hydrated. So I would say just replace it with water. And if you need a flavor, what I do is put some essential aminos in there. I love my lemon lime flavor. The fruit punch flavor is also delicious. It fuels my muscles, helps maintain that lean muscle mass, tastes delicious, and you're replacing the bad with the good. It's easy to do, getting rid of the bad stuff and just filling your body with stuff that's gonna help you.